Welcome to PromeAI Academy. First, select the feature page entry from the top bar and choose Erase and Replace. After entering the feature page, click Image to upload a picture. Adjust the brush size to paint over the area you want to replace. In the prompt, describe what you want to generate and click Generate. You'll see the original dog has been replaced with a cat. You can switch to the Remove function and click Generate again to see the original dog erased. Next, try the Recolor feature. If you want to change the wall color, select the new color and click Generate. The wall will be updated with your chosen color. You can select your favorite from the 3 results and click Download. That's all for this episode. See you next time.